Learn English with Titanic movie. Choose the correct vocabulary. Part 5 of 10. Remember the words. You'll be tested later in this video. Each question takes 10 seconds. You can pause the video if you need more time to think. Blow. Explorer. Treasure. Valuable. Discovery. The ship felt a strong blank when it hit the iceberg. A. Treasure. B. Blow. C. Explorer. Correct answer, blow. Brock Lovett was in blank looking for the heart of the ocean. A. Valuable. B. Discovery. C. Explorer. Correct answer, explorer. Many people thought the heart of the ocean was a hidden blank. A. Treasure. B. Blow. C. Explorer. Correct answer, treasure. Rose's necklace was extremely blank because it was a huge diamond. A. Explorer. B. Valuable. C. Discovery. Correct answer, valuable. Finding the real Titanic at the bottom of the ocean was a big blank. A. Treasure. B. Discovery. C. Blow. Correct answer, discovery. Like, comment and subscribe.